To set up the Jiose J500BT printer, first, plug in the USB drive that came with the package. Then, open the driver and grant user permissions. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If the printer disconnected window pops up, ensure the printer is turned on and connected to your computer via the USB cable. After that, repeat the steps to complete the installation. Once the printer is successfully added to your Windows computer, you can perform a test print. Open the sample label from the USB drive with Browser. Then click the print icon in the top right corner to open the print dialog. The printer should be Jiose J500 and the paper size should be 4 by 6 inches. After changing the settings, you may now print the label. This is the end of the video. If you need further assistance with the printer, please contact our customer service.